Hello everyone, I hope you are safe and staying home if you can. My name is Natasha, and if you haven't known me already, I am the girl behind I Sneeze Too. And in this video, I want to make a quarantine diary zine with you. I just think that this is a very unusual, trying times, but I think that we shouldn't just let this pass by and forget all about it when this is over. So I think it's important to make a sort of diary just to remember or to tell to our future child. One day I am going to use my template, which I will give for free if you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and just DM me your email and I can give the template for free. But if you don't want to, you can make your own template, or you can just use blank papers and do it all traditionally, which is also very easy. So yeah, but in this video I will use this template. So let's make a zine together. So when you open the PDF, it will look like this. Don't be concerned with the upside down format, because it will make sense when we fold it up. So you can just simply print this. I am using pink paper because that's what I have, and it's in black and white, but you can use any paper you want, and you can use the original blue color. So after recording this video, I actually realized that it makes more sense to bind the book first and then filling it up. But if you want to use thick marker or watercolor paint, then you should fill it up first in case it bleeds out to the next page, because this is just a normal A4 and a really thin paper. So in my next video, I will show you my complete quarantine diary zine, and for that one I will actually bind the zine first and then fill it up. And in that video I will also explain like the prompts and what you can fill it up with. So yeah, head up to that video after you bind the book, of course. Alright, so we have everything filled up, and now let's get the book together, which is very easy. All you need is a glue and this needle and thread. If you're not used to using needle, please ask someone else to help you, or just not use it. But anyway, take the first page, which has the cover, and fold it up. Just fold the page in half. And take your glue and glue it together really neatly. Okay. Glue it together and fold it up again. So here you get the cover, the back cover, the front cover. So remember what you do the same for the second page, which has the number 2 in it. So fold it in half. Fold it in half again. So this time make sure the number 2 is on the front. So number 3 and number 8 will face each other. Okay, so now you've got the first one, just the cover in front, and then number 1, and then number 2. And here goes the third page. Do the same thing. Glue it up. Perfect. And this time, make sure number 4 is in the front, and number 5 and number 6 will meet each other. And there you go. So you can double check if the pages are in numerical order, which is yes. And here comes the only really tricky part. So now that we have all the pages together, just put it together and then put in the thread through the needle, which is the hard part. Come on. There. Yes. There we go. Then just tie the thread. You would want like a thicker thread or several normal threads, like I'm using 3. Okay, and then make sure they're all aligned and just take like a little bit from the top and push the needle through. So this is the middle page, right? Just push it through like this, and then see from the front and push it through also a little bit from the bottom and push it, and there you go. I just realized that I forget to tell you that there is actually like a line that you can cut off if you want, but you can also just leave it if you want like a bigger book. So yeah, cut. And that's it. Your book is done. See, it's very simple, and the pages work perfectly. If you want, you can add like another thread, but this is enough for this size of book. And yeah, here you go, the quarantine diary zine. If you do make it, please tag me. I would love to see your creation and your version of quarantine diary. And if you're not using my template, then you can just use blank paper, 3 blank paper, and then fold it up, glue it up, and bind it like I did before. So that's it. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Right now I only have, I think, 50 subscribers, and I really want to reach 100, so I can modify my link. So please do so. Thank you, you're the best.